how to create 9Wickets account. So if you want to create 9Wickets account, then first of all you need to open up your browser and then go for the search bar and search for 9Wickets. And after searching, here you will have 9wicket.com. Click on that. And after searching, here you will have this how to create a 9Wickets new account. You can click on that. And here it will take you to the 9Wickets web page. And here on the upper right side, you will have register option. Click on register. So simply scroll down and here you have to enter your first and last name. And then your email address here. And then your date of birth. And after that, you have to enter your address. And then your country. And here on the next blank, you have to again confirm your password. And after that, here you have to enter your phone number. And here you have to enter the promo code. So if you have your promo code, then enter it. But if you don't have it, then just leave it. And then if you are 18 years old, then click here. And then click on this box. And then again this box so that you agree to the terms and conditions. And now you can simply click on register. And after clicking on register, you will be ready to create your account. Now you will get a mail to your email address which you have just entered. So open up your mail. And here to activate your account, you have to open up the mail and then click on activate your account. And that's it. That's how you activate and that's how you create your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.